Recycling and waste management is getting a boost as a new Metro Vancouver facility located in Coquitlam is nearing completion. The new United Boulevard Recycling and Waste Center is replacing an existing facility which is on leased land a kilometer away. Construction began in 2018 on the site of the former Coquitlam landfill, which is a more sustainable choice than building on a completely undeveloped site.
There's going to be a number of improvements that not only improve access to the site, but encourage sustainable transportation options and beautify the site as well, including improvements to the roadway, a multi-use path in the front, some really great trees, as well as lighting along the roadway.
Right from the start, the new site was built with innovation and sustainability in mind.
We're at the west edge of the transfer building pad. And this material here is bottom ash that started out as trash but was incinerated at the waste to energy facility in South Burnaby. And in this case has been put to work a second time and it's being used to construct the ground features that are needed for this facility.
As construction continued in 2019, concrete was poured for the transfer building's foundation and the administration building began taking shape. In 2020, grading work and installation of buried utilities were done and more concrete was poured.
We've poured 5,000 cubic meters of concrete for the tipping floor of the transfer building. It was done in 2 phases, 2 separate pours with about 250 trucks for each pour and a total of 24 hours of pouring.
The steel superstructure for the transfer building went up in June 2020. The building is 2.5 times larger than the existing facility, nearly the size of 4 hockey rinks. Early spring 2021 saw the arrival of a massive and vital piece of equipment for the transfer building.
This week we took delivery of one of the major components of our system, which is the garbage compactor. At over 85 feet long, it is a huge load to transport.
During that same week, paving began on site.
The asphalt surface improves environmental elements of this former landfill by sealing the surface to rainwater from above and directing that clean water to a stormwater collection system. It also caps the surface and directs landfill gas from below to an existing collection system.
The landfill gas system captures and burns methane and other harmful emissions, which reduces them by 99%. The new Recycling and Waste Center site will start welcoming commercial, residential, and small business customers later in 2021.